During the monsoon season, several plants can be easily propagated from cutting. The consistent rain, cooler temperatures, and high humidity create an ideal environment for certain plants to grow fast by cutting within 10 days. These are low maintenance, love the rain, and perfect for balconies or small garden. It's great for beginners or anyone who loves greenery can grow these flowering plants easily in their garden. So hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Swaroopa Diaries with one more new video. Friends, this monsoon take advantage of the weather and try to grow flowers from cuttings. These flowers will thrive in the rain and bring a burst of colors to your garden. Here are some flowers that you can successfully propagate it from cutting during the rainy season. So let's start the video. So guys, that's all for today. We sincerely hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.